great products are not great if they're not great to the environment as well. UBQ Material is in the business of waste recycling. We built plastic products out of unsorted waste. On our legacy system, we did not grow. The legacy system focused more on the finance part, on procurement part, but was not really able to meet the quality requirements and the manufacturing requirements and the interface requirements that we need when we became commercial and global. We looked for a solution mainly that will be able to scale us up in terms of our production and in terms of our building additional factories across the globe. The reason we selected Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP was its ability to keep the high quality requirements on quality, traceability, manufacturing, and combine that into costing, finance, and reporting, plus the ability to integrate to other systems through the Oracle Integration Cloud, make Oracle a perfect solution for companies like us. We selected Oracle Fusion Cloud Supply Chain Management because it is part of Oracle Fusion Cloud Suite. It's hard to exaggerate how important that is to get an integrated system. It's not only provide accurate reporting and accurate understanding of where the business is, it also saves so much money in trying to resolve conflicts with systems that are not connected well together. With Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP and Oracle Fusion Cloud Supply Chain Management, we are able to manufacture in large scales, keeping perfect traceability and perfect quality control across our production lines. The next challenge is to move to the next step where we have business insight, where we have AIs, where we have controls that are embedded in the system. Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP is the heart and soul of the machines and the metal in the factory, because at reality, whatever is driving production, it all starts and ends in the ERP. So nothing is live without the spirit of the ERP within those machines.